Okay, today I'm gonna show you how to replace hood struts or lift supports. Uh, these can be used for trunk as well, for luxury vehicles. So here's an old one that I removed, and simply what you gotta do is use this kind of screwdriver. It's better if it's bent like that, and just go ahead and open this up like that. I'm holding my camera. Okay, so just open it this much and you can easily take it off. So, and same to the other side. And as you can see, I'm using some kind of support for now because one is not enough. And to put it on, it's pretty simple. You can just click them on and you don't have to disconnect this or remove that. I'm gonna show you how I install it. Okay, there's the just gotta feel the click. Okay, and now I can just turn this like that and lift up the I'm gonna remove this because so it doesn't hit the car, and using my forehead to hold the hood and just click like that, and now it holds. Very simple. Now I'm gonna demonstrate. Okay, closing, opening. Okay, opens. Very nice. It's kinda I was comparing the old ones. The old ones are a little bit longer and the new ones are like maybe this shorter, but it still works. So if this video was helpful, like and subscribe to my channel, and I should have more videos on BMW 7 Series, and see you in the next video.